Hello all, this is Pavithra. Today I come up with coded blood relation based questions. These type of questions we can solve in less than 10 seconds. Some questions we can solve. Some questions it will take 1 minute of time. Okay. Now see how we can solve these type of questions. Now here question number 1. I have posted this question in story, right? Most of the people are marked answer as mother or mother-in-law. Option A and option C. Here I can eliminate option A and option C. How? Here M percentage K. What is M percentage K? M is the wife of K. Correct? M is the wife of K. M is the wife of K. Now what is the question? He is asking how K is related to T. K is related to T. Here K is must be the male person. Here females I'm indicating as plus and males as indicating as minus because females are always positive. Correct? Okay. Now here yes, K is must be the male person. How it is possible mother and mother-in-law? I can eliminate option A and I can eliminate option C. If option B is also given like female category, or we can say female like niece or sister, like that, we can eliminate option B also. But option B is related to father and male person, and father-in-law is also male person. Correct? So what we have to do is we have to calculate the entire question. Okay. Now here no need to calculate these two symbols, this part. Okay, because the person will give you only to waste your time in the exam. So what you have to do, you have to calculate this part only. Okay, the person is asking only how K is related to T. Correct? K is related to T. Now here what is T? T and Y. T and Y. T is the husband of Y. T is the husband of Y. Correct? These two people are couples. Y at the rate M. Y is the daughter of M. Y is the daughter of M. Now, what is the question? He is asking how K is related to T. How K is related to T. Wife's father, we can say father-in-law. Answer is option D, father-in-law. Moving forward to next question. How K is related to T? Again, the same story will repeat. We have to solve only this part. No need to solve this part. Okay. Now K at the rate T. What is K at the rate T? K is the son of T. K is the son of T. T dollar L. What is T dollar L? T is the wife of L. T is the wife of L. Now what is the question? He is asking how K is related to L. How K is related to L? Here the person for the correct. Here the person father is nothing but these two people are married couple. Means we can say this, this is mother. Correct. Mother. Yes, mother. Now we can say these two people are married couple. Means K is the son of T and L. Correct. Answer is option C, son. How K is related to L? Son. Moving forward to next question. Yes. For this question, we have to solve entirely. P is related to V. Here P and here V. What we have to do, we have to solve entirely. Now, what is P plus T? P plus T, that is nothing but P is the father of T. P is the father of T. Now, P is the father, means P is talking about male person. Correct. Here P is talking about male person. Niece is not possible. Niece is female person. Niece is female. Correct. Yes. Now, what is T into U? T is the sister of U. T is the sister of U. U at the rate V. U is the wife of V. U is the wife of V. Now, what is the question he's asking? How P is related to V? How P is related to V? Wife's father, we can say father-in-law. Answer is option C, father-in-law. Brother is not possible because the people are not in same generation. The person is in above generation. Son-in-law is also not possible. The person is not in below generation. Uncle is also not possible. Answer is option C, father-in-law. Moving forward to next question. How L is related to I? How L is related to I? What is L minus M? L minus M. L is the brother of M. Okay, L is the brother of M. How L is related to I? Mother is not possible because the person is L is male person, correct? Not female person. That is the reason I can eliminate option E. Now, what about next? I have to solve entirely, correct? Because I can able to see 4 options are satisfying male persons, correct? Now, what is I into J? I is the sister of J. I is the sister of J. J at the rate K. J is the wife of K. J is the wife of K. Okay. K plus L. K plus L. K is the father of L. Yes, K is the father of L. Means L is the son of J and K. Correct. Now, what is the question? L is related to I. How L is related to I? L is related. These two persons are sisters. Correct. Now, how L is related to I? L is related to I. Sister's son, we can say nephew. Answer is option A, nephew. Husband is not possible. The people are not in same generation. Uncle is not possible. The person is in below generation. Father is also not possible. The person is in below generation. Correct. That is the reason. Okay. Moving forward to next. How M is related to P? How M is related to P? Yes, M is related to P. Now here, what is R dollar M? R is the wife of M. R is the wife of M. Correct. R is the wife of M. Now, how M is related to P? Okay, M is related to P. Must be the male person. Correct. I can eliminate daughter. I can eliminate granddaughter. I can able to see option C, D, and E. Okay. P dollar Q. What is P dollar Q? P is the wife of Q. Okay. P is the wife of Q. Okay. Q minus T. Q is the reverse. Q minus T. T is the daughter of Q. T is the daughter of Q. T is the daughter of Q and P. Correct. Now, what about next? T plus R. T plus R. Again reverse. T plus R. R is the sister of T. R is the sister of T. Okay. Now, what is the question? He's asking how M is related to P. How M is related to P? Daughter's husband. We can say how M is related to P. Daughter's husband, we can say son-in-law. Yes. Here the answer is option D. Son is not possible. Here the person, these two persons are daughters of Q and P. Correct. Now M is the husband of R. Correct. That is the reason here son-in-law. Answer is option E, son-in-law. Moving forward to next. Which of the following means M is the daughter of T? M is the daughter of T. Correct. M is the daughter of T. Okay. M is the daughter of T. Okay. Now, what is option A? M minus J. What is M minus J? M minus J. M is the father of J. Here, M is talking about daughter. M is the daughter. Daughter is nothing but female. Now, here M minus J. M is the father of J. Here, M is the male person. I can eliminate option A. Now, what is M into N? M into N. M is the brother of N. Here also M is talking about male person. I can eliminate option C. Now, what about option D? M plus W. What is M plus W? Reverse. M plus W. W is the sister of M. W is the sister of M. Okay, we have to calculate. Okay, W is the sister of M. W is the sister of M. Sorry, W is the sister of M. W into R. What is W into R? W is the brother of R. Already here M is a sister. W is a sister. How it is possible? I can eliminate option D. Now, can I fix my answer as option B? Yes. You can solve these type of questions very quickly. No need to calculate entirely. The person is not asking what is the procedure you have approached, correct? The person is just asking how many out of these 4 options, which option will suitable. Correct. No need to waste your time in the exam. Moving forward to next. How K is related to M? How K is related to M? Yes. For this type of questions, for sure, 10 seconds are enough for this question. What is R by M? R by M. R is the father of M. Correct. R is the father of M. Now here, if R is the father of M, we are not getting the gender of M. Correct. How K is related to M? How K is related to M? Okay. How K is related to M? How we can solve? We have to solve entirely. If in case the person is asking that how M is related to K, how M is related to K, we can say answer is cannot be determined. But here the asking that K is related to M. Okay. Now what is K plus U? K plus U. K is the mother of U. K plus U. K is the mother of U. U minus T. U is the sister of D. U is the sister of T. T into R. T is the son of R. T is the son of R. R by M. R is the father of M. R is the father of M. Now, can I say these two people are married couple? Yes, married couple. Now, what is the question? He's asking how K is related to M. How K is related to M? Mother. Answer is option B, mother. Okay. Moving forward to next question. Yes. Now this question we can solve in less than 10 seconds for sure. Okay. Now please pay your attention. What is the relation E with respect to S? Correct. Now what is T at the rate E? T is the son-in-law of E. T is the son-in-law of E. Here the person E. Son-in-law is nothing but daughter's husband. We can say here the person daughter and here the person daughter's husband. We can say son-in-law. Correct. But here how E is related. How E, what is the relation of E with respect to S? Relation of E with respect to S. Now here, after E, we cannot able to see any symbol. Correct. Now can I say answer is cannot be determined because I'm not getting the person of gender of E. I'm not getting what is the gender of E. That is the reason I can say cannot be determined. Whenever you are seeing these type of questions, whenever you are seeing alphabet is at the last place, you can blindly say the answer as cannot be determined. If the question is saying like this, T plus E, what is the relation? What is the relation of E with respect to S? W into S plus V hashtag T plus E. If the question is asking like this, you can say the answer because what is T plus E? T is the wife of E. Correct. T is the wife of E. Here you are getting the gender of E. But here in this case, you are not getting the gender of E. That is the reason you cannot say the answer. Yes. I hope it is clear. Moving forward to next. Yes, this is the practice question. Now, comment your answer in the comment box. Thank you. I hope this video will helpful for you. Please do share and please do subscribe and please do like my video. Thank you.